Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. If you're tired of boring rice, this video is for you. Okay, so you want to go ahead and take a vermicelli noodle, fry it until golden brown. Add your choice of rice. I'm using basmati rice. You want to go ahead and fry that as well, stirring periodically to prevent burning the rice. Add hot water, stir, a pinch of salt, cover, and let it cook. Stir to make sure it's evenly cooked, and there you have it. Nice, colorful, tasty rice. You can pair this with any sauce. On the side, you want to add some onions to your pan, anise, tomatoes, pepper, stir. Add any choice of vegetables. I'm using broccoli, pinch of salt, stir. Seasoning sauce. This is ready in like 5 minutes. And then we're gonna add some fried egg white. Nothing fancy, just simple. Black pepper. Salt if you prefer. And voila, our food is ready, guys. No more boring rice. Okay, so change your style every now and then. You want to change your style of cooking rice. Food is ready, guys. I hope you try it and let me know what you think about it. Make sure you subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. It makes the video go far. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.